This 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2400BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 28 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Pebble interior, sleeps 6, Skylight, self-contained, LP detector, air conditioning, TV antenna, spare tire kit, smoke detector, slide-out, oven, external shower, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2400BH is 5,825 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.